The spotlight today is on ADAG stock Reliance Capital, given that the Japanese news agency Nikkei reports that Nippon Life has agreed to pick up a substantial stake in Reliance Capital's AMC business for 20 billion yen, which sums up to 1350 crore rupees. You have Reliance's spokesperson, however, who is maintaining their silence, but the stock price, as you can see, is on fire today, and even in the last since from January to date has rallied close to 40%. Let's take it then to Ajay Sharma to understand more about this deal and what it means for the company. Ajay.
Well, Awan, this definitely is showing that the stock price might be giving a thumbs up. But if you talk to dealers or market participants on the street, there was some kind of expectations already built in as far as this kind of announcement is concerned. And this is exactly what explains the, the huge returns the stock has actually given in the month of January, over 40%. But the caveat is that this is a Japanese news agency which has reported the deal. The deal has not come out officially from the company till now, and the company is denying any development. Of course, 4% gains. If you, assume that there is some truth in that, and 1355 crore or 20 billion yen have been paid for a substantial stake, which we understand could be 26%, it values the Reliance Capital's asset management business at over 5,000 crore. And with the assets under management of 82,000 crore, that definitely is, over 6% of AUM, which is good news in the sense that it is a premium. So such a large investor is actually paying a premium for a substantial chunk is definitely good news. However, one section of the analysts believe that this may not be a benchmark, or this deal may not set a benchmark or a precedence for any future deals as well, because in the recent past, some of the smaller AMC deals have actually happened around 3 to 4% of AUM. So whether we have to see, how the official announcement comes and what the details come in. Also, if you look at some of the other large companies, ICICI Bank, HDFC Limited, IDFC, they also have, and even AB Nuvo, which houses the 50% JV of Birla Sun Life mutual fund, and Reliance Capital. So these 3 or 4 players actually control 80% of the asset management business in the country. So in that sense, definitely the street is giving a thumbs up. Whether this actually leads to any material re-rating of the counter remains to be seen, and as more details come in after the official announcement in coming days.
Ajay, if the news is true, I'm making that assumption that the news is true, Reliance Capital's current market cap, Ajay, is about 9,000 crore, and the AMC business, which accounts for less than 20% of the total profitability, is getting a valuation of 7,000 crore.
That is correct. It's a good point, Nikonjan. Recently, about 2 months back, Reliance Capital actually pipped one of its biggest competitors as far as the profitability of asset management business is concerned. Very few players actually are throwing profits from the asset management business. And if you take into account that asset management is only one part of Reliance Capital's whole basket of businesses, and that itself is getting a premium, you might make a case that the Reliance Capital as a company may actually get re-rated in the future. But of course, you would await more kind of brokerage reports or more opinion on it as the details of the final official fine print comes out.